Ever wondered how the sweet things you eat affect your body? Today, we're diving into the world of carbohydrates and their impact on your health. Carbohydrates, often simply called carbs, are a crucial part of our diet, providing the primary source of energy for our bodies. In this video, we'll explore the various types of carbohydrates, how our body processes them, and their profound effects on our health, from energy metabolism to cognitive function. Join me as we decode the sweet truths and debunk common myths surrounding these essential biomolecules. Let's embark on this scientific journey to better understand what we consume daily and how it influences our well-being. Monosaccharides, the simplest form of carbohydrates, are the building blocks of more complex sugars. They include glucose, the primary energy source for our cells, and fructose, commonly found in fruits and honey. When you consume these sugars, they're quickly absorbed into your bloodstream, providing an instant source of energy. This is why you often feel a quick surge in energy after eating something sweet. However, it's important to manage this energy source wisely to maintain optimal health. Excessive consumption can lead to health issues, such as diabetes, if not balanced with other nutrients. Through animations, let's look at how these molecules are structured and how they function within our body. Disaccharides are formed when two monosaccharides link together. Common examples include sucrose, which is table sugar, and lactose, found in milk. These sugars are slightly more complex and require a bit more effort from your body to break down during digestion. This process, which begins in the mouth with enzymes like amylase, continues in the gut, where these molecules are split back into simpler sugars and absorbed. Understanding this process helps us appreciate the importance of digestive health and the role enzymes play in our overall nutrition. Let's visually explore the enzymatic breakdown of disaccharides into monosaccharides. Oligosaccharides, consisting of a few sugar molecules bonded together, are often found in foods like beans and legumes. These carbohydrates have a notable role in promoting digestive health and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Raffinose and stachyose are typical examples that, although not digestible by human enzymes, are fermented by our gut flora, producing gases and short-chain fatty acids that are crucial for colon health. This chapter will delve into how these complex carbohydrates aid in maintaining a healthy gut environment and why they should be a part of our diet. The journey of carbohydrates begins the moment you take a bite. From the breakdown of starches in bread and pasta to the quick absorption of simple sugars from fruits, the digestive system works tirelessly to convert these compounds into glucose. This glucose is then either used immediately for energy or stored for future use in forms like glycogen. The efficiency of this process is crucial for our energy levels and overall health. Through detailed animations, let's illustrate the digestion of different types of carbohydrates and how they're processed differently based on their complexity. Once carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, they must be absorbed and transported to various parts of the body. This chapter covers how glucose passes through the intestinal walls into the bloodstream and how insulin, a hormone from the pancreas, plays a pivotal role in facilitating the uptake of glucose by cells. Understanding this system is crucial for managing energy levels and preventing conditions like hyperglycemia and hypoglycemia. Let's explore the pathways of carbohydrate metabolism and the critical role of the pancreas in maintaining energy balance. Maintaining stable blood glucose levels is vital for our health, preventing both short-term fluctuations and long-term health issues. In this chapter, we'll discuss the mechanisms our body employs to regulate these levels, such as the release of insulin and glucagon. These hormones help keep our blood sugar within a narrow range, ensuring our cells receive a steady supply of energy. We'll also look at how dietary choices, like the type and timing of carbohydrate intake, can impact this delicate balance and how you can manage your diet to support these natural processes. Carbohydrates play a central role in cellular respiration, the process by which energy is produced in cells. In this chapter, we'll break down the steps of cellular respiration, including glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain, all of which are fueled by products derived from carbohydrates. This detailed look will help you understand how every breath you take and every calorie you consume contributes to the fundamental energy production in your body. We'll use detailed diagrams to illustrate these complex biochemical pathways. Our brain and muscles rely heavily on carbohydrates for energy. In this chapter, we delve into how carbohydrates serve as the primary fuel for these critical organs and tissues, particularly under conditions of intense physical activity or mental exertion. We'll explore the metabolic pathways that enable this process and discuss the effects of carbohydrates on physical and mental performance. Highlighting the importance of carbs in diet can help in planning meals, especially for those involved in cognitive or physical work. The impact of carbohydrates on the brain extends beyond just providing energy. They are crucial for various brain functions, including concentration, memory, and mood regulation. In this chapter, we'll explore the relationship between carbohydrate intake and cognitive health, and how certain types of carbs can enhance mental clarity and emotional well-being. We'll also touch on the role of carbohydrates in managing stress and maintaining neurological health over time. Neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers of the brain, are greatly influenced by carbohydrate intake. This chapter will explain how carbohydrates are involved in synthesizing neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulates mood, appetite, and sleep. We'll discuss the biochemical pathways involved and how dietary choices can impact neurotransmitter production, potentially affecting everything from our mood to our circadian rhythms. This information underscores the importance of balanced carbohydrate consumption in maintaining mental health. As we age, maintaining cognitive health becomes increasingly important. This chapter discusses how a well-managed carbohydrate intake can help prevent cognitive decline and dementia. We'll examine recent studies that highlight the role of diet in brain health and how complex carbohydrates might offer protective benefits against neurodegenerative diseases. Understanding these connections can help us make informed decisions about our diet to support long-term brain health. In our final chapter, we differentiate between simple and complex carbohydrates and their roles in a balanced diet. While simple carbs provide quick energy, complex carbs offer sustained energy and are packed with nutrients like fiber. We'll discuss how to balance these types of carbohydrates to maintain optimal health and prevent chronic diseases. This comprehensive overview will equip you with the knowledge to make informed choices about your carbohydrate intake and overall dietary habits. We've explored the intricate world of carbohydrates from their basic forms as monosaccharides to their crucial roles in energy production, cognitive functions, and maintaining overall health. Understanding these aspects helps us appreciate the importance of balanced carbohydrate consumption. I encourage you to think about your carbohydrate intake and make informed dietary choices to support your health and well-being. Stay informed, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.